Hello, everyone. Supervisor Jim Desmond with you here on Thursday, January 14th. The biggest question of the day is when and where can I get my vaccination and my vaccine? And the governor just announced that those over 65 are now eligible to get the vaccine. Well, that's great, but he hasn't given us enough vaccines to administer to age 65 and older. Right now, we still don't even really have enough for our frontline health workers and our senior nursing facilities and their staff to give them their first in line to get it out. We don't have the ones for the 65 and older. So it's very nice that the governor put all the 65 plus year old folks in line to get it, but he's got to give us the vaccines to do that. And unfortunately, we don't have that infrastructure in place right now. I want you to know that the county staff is doing everything they possibly can with tracing and testing and getting the vaccine out as quickly as possible. And now they're having to be pulling in another direction here to try to get the 65 plus people out, get the vaccine as well, and they've been very stretched. So unfortunately, it's a good news, but the bad news is we don't have the infrastructure in place, and it's probably going to be a couple of weeks before we're able to get the vaccines, or we get the vaccines from the state to fulfill the need for the 65 years and older. One of the best things we can do to tell people is trying to find out when they can get the vaccine is check first of all with your doctor or your healthcare provider to see if they already have the vaccines for you. Many of these healthcare providers like Scripps and Kaiser and places like that have offices statewide, they are getting their own shipments of the vaccine. I'm pretty much aware of the fact that they're doing the same thing. They're trying to get it to their healthcare providers first and to people in senior living facilities also. But they are who you should check with first. Secondly, check with the county website. Go to the county website. I asked the county at the last board meeting, and I don't think they've got it done yet, but to come up with an access portal where people can just put their name and their information in and maybe their age and occupations, and then they'll be notified as to what tier they're actually in. And then also they can request that they be notified when their tier is up for to get the vaccine, that they can be notified and where to go then once they get that notification. I've asked for that to be put in place. It's still a work in progress. Unfortunately, I wish we could had been able to move a little bit faster on this here in the San Diego County. Know that your county representatives and your county healthcare providers are trying to do the best they can to get it out. We just don't have the vaccines to be able to do everyone at 65 and older at this point in time. So thanks for checking in.